Hello, we're going to show you how to open and close a container. Nice and simple. We start with the right hand door. He grabs the handles. Now then, he levers the handle to the left. Did you notice how he levered it? No slamming, no forcing. Let's just see that again. This is the left door. So he grabs the handles. Now watch what he does. He just grabs them and he twists them, he levers them, this time to the right. There we go. I think what we'll do is we'll have another closer look. So he's going to close the left door, okay, lever it across, that's it, into position, the little clips can go down. Right hand door, this is the last door to close, he's got the handles, he's checking the pins line up on the bottom, lever it across. It's as simple as that. Let's have a look again. So that's it. There you go. He's lifting them up. He's levering them across to the left. There you go. Nice and simple. Then he's closing this door. Watch what he does. There, lever it across. He's checking the pins line up on the bottom. He's got them across. He's put the little brackets down, ready for the padlock. Thanks for watching. It's easy as that.